Hello guys, myself Jwala Prasad Chaurasia, a student of Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, Mumbai, second year, BTech AIML. Today we are gonna solve the event program 30 days of Google Cloud. First track, Google Cloud Engineering track. First quest, getting started, create and manage cloud resources का third lab. So let's get directed towards the quick labs. So here we come in the quick labs and we have to get into our quest, which name is create and manage cloud resources. So guys, we are over here. We have already solved these labs. You can see in the earlier videos, you can have a reference over there. Now let's get into our third lab. Now for that, start the lab. I will do sign in over here with this the password. Guys, it's very easy lab, so we have to do very quick. Now let's accept all the terms and conditions. Basically, it comes always just over here. Hmm. We are in the Google Cloud Platform console, and now we have to agree these agreements. This comes always, and sometimes this becomes so irritating, right? Okay, okay, guys. Now get into our first task. First task is to set a default compute zone. Before that, we have to authorize our project in the Cloud Shell. For that, we have to activate our Cloud Shell. Okay, from here we can activate our Cloud Shell. Okay, the cloud is being provisioning. Till then we can copy this gcloud authorization list command. Simply guys, you have to copy those commands and put it over here in the cloud console. Authorize हो गया. उसके बाद we have to authorize our project id. For that we have to simply paste it. It's being done. After that, let's get into our first task. We have to set a default compute zone. Okay, we have to simply copy this command and paste it over here. So guys, it will, you can see it has been set it up, it is being updated. Our first task is completed. After that we have to create a cluster. Okay guys, now see the naming system for a cluster. So that, because sometimes it makes some error. So like now we will creating a cluster, for example my cluster, we shall create this name only. So get into this. Now we have to name this cluster name my dash cluster. Guys, remember this name because it's gonna come many times, and the cluster is being creating. Sometime it takes time, and it take some time. Within 1 to 2 minutes it will be created. Guys, let's wait for some time. Mhm. Okay. Mhm. What's going on, guys? Creating cluster, my cluster in a zone US Central, in a region US Central 1A, and it's working. Means that this cluster is being created in a virtual, in our cloud shell. Okay. Mm. It'll take some time. We shall wait for some time. Okay, guys, it's going on. It's taking a lot of time, right? Always. It takes always a lot of time. Sometimes it depends on your device, or sometimes it depends on your network connection also. In some devices, it may be created very fast, like that. Wait for some more time. We don't have any other options, right? Yes. The cluster is being created after so much time. Now let's go on our next step. After we can check on this and we can see that this process we done and we got all the 25 points. Now what? Now what's the next task? Next task is get authentication credential for the cluster. For that, simply we have to copy this command, and guys, we have to write our cluster name which we have already given, my cluster. Okay, entry generated. We have generated the entries. So you can see the expected output if anything goes wrong over there. Okay, now what? Task 4, deploy an application to the cluster. Now we have to deploy an application to the cluster. We have to simply copy this command, and guys, this is gonna take some time. Okay, so don't be worried. Deploying anything takes some time. Oh, it's created. Okay, and now we can see that we have created a new deployment. Hello server. Okay, wait for it done. It's done. Check my progress. Guys, it's done. Now we have to to create a Kubernetes service, which is a Kubernetes resource that lets you expose your application to external. Run the following. We have for creating a Kubernetes service, we have to run this command. Okay, simply copy this and paste it. Okay, it's created, and now we can see the expected output. And after we have to inspect the hello server. For that, we have to simply copy this command to get services. Okay, guys, wait for some time because this IP address is being loading over here. uh, After a seconds we can put this command kubect1 get service again, and we can see that this external IP we have, which is not right now, it is gonna come over there. Okay, wait for some time more, 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Okay, you can see the age. It's been like how much time before it is being created or like that. Okay, again the command. Guys, you can see that external IP is generated over here. Now okay, okay. Okay, now to view, now we have to view our application. Okay, now we have to view our application. So simply copy this command. Okay, wait. Okay, no, we don't have to copy. We have to go to this. Okay, we have to copy this external IP address from here for viewing our deployed app. So we can simply copy here, and it's like okay. we will simply copy this and put it over here, and then simply delete this back, and now boom, you can see we have created our hello world application which is being deployed. Guys, it's very simple now, and more simple. You can see we have created a Kubernetes service and assessment complete. Now last step, we have to delete this cluster which we had created. Now simply copy this command, and now we have to write the name of our cluster which we have already made, like this. Yes, we have to delete this. Now deleting also may take some time, as like creating a cluster takes so much time, like that, guys. And guys, if I made some mistakes in the video, so just comment me in the comment section. I will be making more good videos over here. So guys, let's wait till this cluster is being deleted. Okay, it takes time, so always. Actually, it's like a cluster. It's like a Kubernetes engine. It takes time always, so we need to wait. Don't be patient. Don't be worry or something like that. And guys, I will be posting all the labs videos soon as up. So be updated in my YouTube channel. Okay guys, अभी हो रहा है थोड़ा सा it will take more than some minutes. So delete the cluster. Okay guys, it's being done. We had deleted the cluster successfully. Now let's check in the progress bar. Okay, we have done it, guys. We have got all the 100 points in this lab also very easily. Okay guys, we have completed and we have get these labs, and we have to simply end the lab. Then guys, thank you guys for watching my video, and thank you guys.